My name is Richard Murphy. This is my wife Kara. We are the owners and operators of Devil Dog Treasure Hunters. We specialize in retailer liquidations. We sell bulk by the pallet. We sell truckloads by the pallet directly from retailers.
We have anything from Amazon to Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's.
We're a veteran-owned and operated business. We get a wide variety of products, everything from tools to hardwood floor to tile to sheets to electronics. We try to specialize in the loads that have the lowest possible salvage rate. Most of our product, it's either new, it's overstock, it's some box damage. We've screened our loads. We know what loads are coming to our warehouse. So we deal in the best quality liquidation product that we can find.
We try and cater to everybody. There's some demands that a lot of guys want and a lot of businesses for them, and then on the other end there's a lot of girls that are doing the same thing, reselling, and they want the girlier stuff. They want the Bed Bath & Beyond, they want the Target, and then the guys want the tools and the big machinery type stuff. So we try and cater to everybody.
Because we're located on Eastern Shore, we have clients that have easy access to us from a lot of different areas. We have clients from New Jersey, we have clients from New York, we have our local clients from Maryland, we have clients from Virginia. We also offer shipping on pallets too. We sell truckloads. We have clients that'll buy truckloads from us, and we'll ship truckloads directly from the distribution centers directly to the customers, no matter where they're located at. Say you live in California, I can get it direct shipped from the DC directly to you, no matter where you're at in the US. The reason we're able to sell at the prices we do is because we're buying in bulk. When our pallets come into us from the distribution centers, is we don't cherry pick product off. I want my customers to make money. How that pallet comes into me is how we're going to sell it to you. We buy it at a fraction of the retailer's cost, and then we sell it at a fraction of the retailer's cost. We don't need the whole entire pie. We just need a small little piece. And if our customers get a piece, we get a piece. They're making money. They're coming back. They're buying more product from us. So our piece sales are once every quarter. We'll actually shut down pallet sales for about 3 weeks.
They're actually really fun, and they're one of my most favorite things to do because you really get involved with the public, and I love dealing with people, and that's why I think a lot of people do come to us is because they're resellers or they're stocking their stores.
We started off as a piece sale company. We used to break loads down. We don't want to lose them customers. We still enjoy having them customers, so we still have the piece sales once every 3 to 4 months. One thing they teach us in the military, I was in the Marine Corps, I'm a 10-year Marine Corps veteran. One thing they teach us when we go back to our community is to enhance your community, make your community better. And this business is is my way of doing that. We bring in product for you to resell. If you're having trouble making ends meet, this is one way you can come in, take a little bit of income, buy a pallet. So that light bill or that electric bill or whatever you're having trouble making ends meet, maybe this is an additional form of income where you can start making money. I have somebody that started this year that's quit their full-time job that just buys pallets from me and resells. So we give back to our community. We not only live in our community, we sleep in our community, we eat in our community, we spend in our community, we give back in our community, and that's very important to us. People that are interested in what we do or maybe want to come out and check us out, is subscribing to our Facebook page, turning on your notifications, and then every time we do something, it'll pop up. It'll let you know, hey, we got a new tool truck coming in. We've got our piece sale coming up. But that's the best way to stay informed in what we do.